Hello my friends, welcome back. I hope that you're all well, safe and sound and that you're ready for another awesome Paracord project. Before we start, if you want to learn the top 3 bracelets we're done on this channel, you can find them in the top right corner information cards, also down below in the description box of this video. So that being said, we're gonna start. Here I have the 3 different colors of a keyring, as you can see, silver, gold and the black. For today's project I will use the silver and also the bigger and the smaller thimble. I will use the smaller one and the casing of a bullet. The items we use in this tutorial, you can find them in the top right corner information cards and the description box down below. So let's start. First we're gonna take our bullet casing and we're gonna open it. As you can see, this is the screw. So we're gonna take the ends of our strand and pull it from the top side and we're gonna twist it. So we're gonna secure the thimble here, as you can see. Then, so we're gonna pull it from this side here, and then we're gonna return it from the same side, as you can see. From here we're gonna decide the length of the loop on the end of our casings. So I think this will fit perfectly into your hand, as you can see. So we're gonna take the two ends and we're gonna cut them a bit here. And we're gonna melt it, but before we melt this end here, I'm gonna pull this side, this opposite side, we cut it off, so I can pull this left side a bit. So here when we joined our strand, as you can see, it melted well. We're gonna rearrange the strand into the casing, so twist it, pull it, and then insert the insert the thimble. Now we're gonna secure the thimble, pull this top side all the way to the part where we melted our strand. Here, and then we're gonna pull this bottom side, so we'll secure our thimble in place. So as you can see, our thimble is firmly secured. Now the only thing we are left is to insert this keyring into the thimble, so pull it all the way and then so as you can see, our Paracord key fob is finished. So for this one we're gonna use the black keyring, the gold Paracord 550 and this bullet key fob. So we start. We're gonna take the keyring and we're gonna insert our gold strand through the keyring. Now we're gonna take the tip of our bullet and we're gonna pass it Paracord 550 through it. So from the top through and this side here as well. We're gonna twist it a bit. Now we're gonna pull this bottom side all the way, so we'll secure our keyring on the bottom. Now we're gonna take the casing. From here we're gonna pull our Paracord 550 through and then we're gonna return it again through, but from this side here. Now we're gonna twist it again and from here pull the top side, then the bottom side. Now we're gonna rearrange a bit, so we need to cut off the top side and melt it. And here we are. Our project is finished.